What's up, guys? This video is going to be super short, super quick, man. I'm going to go over Matic real quick because we did get a drop down to the downside after our move to the upside, guys. I'm going to cover that real quick. I'm going to take a look at Harmony 1 coin. I'm also going to take a look at Cardano. So if that sounds good, make sure you guys smash those likes for me. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. So I'm going to jump right on into the charts here. So I've got the hourly chart for Matic pulled up first. I'm just going to take a real quick look at it, guys. You know, in my previous Matic video, I was talking about this potentially being a bull flag with a breakout target above 40 cents. Guys, I did mention in that video also the bearish possibility of what could happen if we continue to get rejected here at 37 cents. I mentioned that in my previous Matic video, which did happen, guys. We got rejected too many times there at 37 cents and it pushed us down. So we did actually come down and we got a small bounce, guys. We got a small bounce on 34 cents. We actually wicked down perfectly. If I zoom out some here, we actually wicked down perfectly right here. That wicked down perfectly to 34 cents, guys. I did mention that we would most likely see a small bounce there at 34 cents after already retesting it once and breaking through it. We did get a small bounce, right? It pushed us up above 37 cents for a little bit, but then we got pushed back down below it, guys. So 37 cents is major resistance there. That did push us down enough to get our drop all the way down to, where did I say we would go, guys? In my previous Matic video, I said we would drop to 30 cents, guys, which we wicked down perfectly to 30 cents on this hourly candle here. Keep in mind, this is the hourly chart, so each one of these candles represents 1 hour, guys. So this wicked down, perfect touch on 30 cents there. Perfect touch on my trend line there. That was my bearish target, guys, anywhere between 28 and 30 cents. And, and guys, judging by this candle over here, we are breaking through 30 cents some. So, guys, we may come on down to test 28 cents. Now, that is if we break 30 cents. If 30 cents doesn't hold, guys, we will come down to at least 28 cents, possibly lower. So keep that in mind. I'm going to throw it on another chart here real quick. I'm going to throw it on the Coinbase chart real quick because we are basically, let's see, let me zoom out here. We are basically in this falling channel, guys, right now for Matic, okay? And we are at the bottom of it here. We are down here resting at the bottom of it. And also on 30 cents there. So we really want to see 30 cents hold, guys. Otherwise, we most likely will drop on down to 28 cents, which would also give us a touch there on the bottom of this rising channel. So it's possible that we actually get a dead cat bounce here, right? We might get a bounce here, come up to a test 32 cents for resistance because it was previous support. And then that 32 cent price might knock us on down to test 28 cents for a bounce, guys. This is my opinion on Matic. I know we don't want to be bearish here. I was really hoping that 34 cents would hold after, you know, getting a breakthrough at once and then breaking up above it again. I really was hoping it would hold, but we really just got a small, insignificant bounce there at 34 cents. So it really didn't make much of a difference there. We got pushed down by 37 cents after getting that small bounce on 34 cents. And we got pushed on down. So we're sitting here resting on top of 30 cents, guys. That's major support. If we can hold here, guys, we should see a nice bounce. But then we are still going to have to come up and get above all these levels of resistance that we create on our way down here. So, you know, as we go down here, we're creating resistance, right? Previous support would be resistance. So 35 cents is going to be resistance. 38 cents will be resistance. 40 cents will be resistance. Also, the top of this falling channel would be resistance. So we have tons of areas to get through, guys, if we get a correction here to the upside. But keep in mind, guys, I do expect, if 30 cents doesn't hold, I do expect us to at least come down to 28 cents, guys, for Matic. So I'm going to go ahead and throw it over on Harmony real quick and take a look at it. All right, guys, so Harmony, man. You guys know in my previous videos, I was calling for a breakout target to the upside of anywhere between 22 cents and 24 cents. So I had that target in there at 23 cents, which is in between 22 and 24 cents. We actually came up and wicked up and touched 22 cents exactly. Right there, you can see that. We wicked up and touched it exactly. So we did get some heavy resistance there at 22 cents, which I did mention that, guys. I said anywhere between 22 23, 24 cents. Anywhere in that price range would be a good bullish target for Harmony. So we did get that target, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this so that we can kind of see what we're doing here. If I can get to it, let's see. Okay, move this down, get rid of that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this price target too, because we already basically came up and met my target. We didn't quite make it up to 23 cents, but we did get rejected there at 22. All right, so guys, we have fallen through our support though. After getting rejected there at 22 cents for Harmony, we have fallen through our support here. You know, you see these big red wicks, those big red candles. That's usually a bearish sign, guys. In my opinion, for Harmony, at this point, we may come all the way down to retest 15 or 16 cents for a bounce at this point. If we do not hold here, we are resting on previous resistance right now. We got wicked back up here above these areas of previous resistance, and we're just kind of resting on it. You can see that. You can see how we're just resting on this area of previous resistance. So we'll have to see if this holds. If that doesn't hold, most likely we'll come on down, drop on down to about 15 cents or so. And guys, I don't want to be bearish with Harmony, but you know, that is a possibility that we come back all the way back down to about 15 cents. But we could get a nice bounce here. That would make sense. We're resting on our previous tops here, and you know, 18 cents, it would have been much better if 18 cents would have held. That would have been more bullish than dropping below that, simply because 18 cents is more close to the top over here. You can see that, how we kind of held there, but then we broke through it here. So my guess is we will come on down to retest 16 cents maybe. So we'll have to see how that plays out here on the hourly chart. We got 31 seconds actually left on this hourly candle, guys. So we'll just have to see. Most likely this is going to come on down though. Where it's at, it could catch a bounce here. Only the reason I say that is because of the previous resistance over here that we're resting on top of. If that could cause a bounce here, then we might come up and retest these levels for resistance, because we did break through those here. So that would probably pose as resistance on our way back up, guys. Most likely, I expect us to come on down to 16 cents, though, for Harmony. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and throw it over on Cardano. I'm going to breeze through these real quick for you guys this morning. I did want to cover Cardano real quick. Haven't made a Cardano video in a little bit, so let's check out the charts, man. All right, so Cardano, guys. My previous Cardano videos, for all of my subscribers, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But you guys remember back previously, I was paying attention to this line. I extended it out during one of my videos, and it posed as pretty heavy resistance here, which did get us our move down, right? So now we are resting on that $1.03 price range, guys. That price that I've paid attention to previously in my Cardano videos. That bright white line there, that thick white line, that $1.03. We did come down and get a touch on it and a bounce. If I zoom in here, so on the hourly chart, we actually wicked down perfectly, got a nice touch on that $1.03 trend line for Cardano, guys. We are below $1.10, which is also previous major area of previous support and resistance, and we are below that, guys. We'll have to see if this $1.03 will hold. I really hope it does, guys. If it does not hold, if the $1.03 does not hold, we will absolutely come down between 95 and 98 cents. That was previous support where we got a bounce here, so we could possibly come down a little bit lower, but that is only if this doesn't hold, guys. $1.03 is previous support, and it's really strong support. You know, you can see, let me throw it out here on the 4 hour. So you can see how well this was support in the past. The only thing I'm not liking about this chart, guys, is this is really looking like a double top, okay? We don't want a double top for Cardano, right? But you know, these are pretty level here on the 4 hour chart for Cardano, and it is looking like a double top, guys. So let's really pay close attention to this Cardano chart. We really need $1.03, anywhere between $1 and $1.03. We need that to hold, guys. We need that to hold tremendously, which really 98 cents, guys, if you look back here, was our previous top back here in February. So it is possible we come on down, guys. It's possible we come all the way down to this purple dotted line. That's 95 cents, guys. That is the lowest I would want us to go. We would absolutely need to see a bounce there to continue to the upside. Otherwise, we could possibly come on all the way down to 80 cents, guys, for Cardano. That's all the time I've got for you guys this morning. Make sure if you're new to the channel, once again, smash that subscribe button, smash those likes for me for the algorithm. And guys, I'll see you in my next video.